If you're experiencing pending transfers on eBay, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method linked to your eBay account is valid and has sufficient funds. If there are any issues with your bank account or card, it may cause transfers to remain pending. Step 2. Review eBay policies. Familiarize yourself with eBay's policies regarding payment holds and transfers. Sometimes, eBay may hold funds for security reasons or due to account activity. Understanding these policies can provide insight into your situation. Step 3. Update your account information. Make sure that all your account information is up to date, including your email address, phone number, and payment details. An outdated account can lead to issues with processing transfers. Step 4. Contact eBay customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to eBay customer support for assistance. They can provide specific information related to your account and help resolve any pending transfer issues. Step 5. Wait for processing. Sometimes pending transfers may take time to process due to bank processing times or eBay's internal systems. If you've checked everything and contacted support, give it some time before taking further action. By following these steps, you should be able to address the pending transfer issue on eBay effectively. If problems continue, consider seeking further assistance from eBay or looking for community support forums.